The 2025 Shacman X6000 roars onto the global stage as China's most advanced heavy-duty truck, blending raw power with cutting-edge intelligence. Designed for transatlantic logistics, the Shacman X6000 redefines efficiency with its Weichai WP17H 800 horsepower engine, delivering a jaw-dropping 3,750 Newton-meters of torque, the highest in its class. This Shacman X6000 crushes long-haul challenges while meeting Euro VI and US EPA emission standards, making it a dual-continent powerhouse for eco-conscious fleets. The Shacman X6000's brain matches its brawn, featuring AICARE autonomous driving assistance with lane keeping, collision avoidance, and real-time driver monitoring. Its 360-degree starlight camera system provides night vision clarity down to 0.1 lux, while active sideguard assist protects cyclists and pedestrians in urban zones. For fleet managers, the Shacman X6000 offers predictive maintenance alerts and over-the-air updates, slashing downtime through its Detroit Connect-style telematics. Comfort meets innovation inside the Shacman X6000's 4-point air-suspended cab, reducing vibrations by 30% for silk-smooth rides. Drivers enjoy dual 12-inch digital dashboards, heated, ventilated seats, and a library-quiet 49.8 decibels cabin luxuries rivaling European premium trucks. The Shacman X6000 even auto-adjusts its smart wipers and LED headlights using weather sensors, ensuring safety during monsoons or blizzards. With a 0.454 drag coefficient and 99.7% transmission efficiency, the Shacman X6000 sips fuel like a mid-sized rig, despite its 82,000-pound capacity. Its 1,000-liter dual fuel tanks enable 3,000-kilometer ranges, while the 16-speed fast AMT gearbox eliminates gear hunting on mountain passes. Already deployed across 50-plus North American fleets, the Shacman X6000 proves Chinese engineering can dominate global logistics without compromising driver well-being or planetary health. This isn't just a truck, it's a 2-million-kilometer B10 lifespan partner that outsmarts competitors on every highway from Houston to Hamburg. The Shacman X6000 doesn't follow trends. It charges ahead, rewriting the rules of heavy-duty transport.